All right, on this scenario card, you can see it says RNC sets up and moves first. For the paper cardboard version of this, it's the Axis. This one says it's RNC, which just is short for random number check. So we're going to pull a card, basically roll a dice, but cards handle that in this game. So we're going to check a random number on a card for the Germans and check one for the Americans to see who goes first. Just click and drag to draw a card. You can flip it by right-clicking or Control F. So RNC here, the random number check, is a 4. You can see it's a red 4. So later on, you can, it'll be important to know that red is negative, black is positive. So the Germans pulled a red 4, so they're -4, and let's see what the Americans pull. They pull a -3, so I'd say Americans are higher. So we're going to start with the Americans. It's possible for this draw that there are sometimes that you ignore the color and just use the number, like for snipers. And I'm not sure if you do that here or not. As long as you agree with your partner, it doesn't really matter. So we're going to say the Americans go first. So we're going to highlight. You can right-click and discard these cards. Control R, which I'll be using some of these, and see that the cards in this game are discarded face down. And that has to do with card counting, really. It's to kind of hide some of the information from the other player. When you discard cards, a lot of them you can discard straight to the discard pile and nobody gets to see what they are. So, but you do have to make sure you're clear on which ones to draw and which ones to discard. I'd say about maybe once a game, it seems like one of me or my opponent will start drawing from the wrong one. You quickly realize it, but then we're going to send these back to the draw deck. And I should have shuffled the deck first, because I believe that those two cards I pulled will be the exact same every time. So make sure you shuffle the deck first. We're still going to let the Americans go first, though, and get set up.